Hey everyone, it is Monday, September 25th. The time is 6:19 p.m. and I am here at the intersection of Bloor and Spadina. And there's a bit of chaos on the TTC, which is the Toronto Transit Commission right now. I was on a northbound train from Queen's Park up to St. George when I found out that the train would be bypassing St. George due to a security incident. So I got off at Spadina and decided to come down the line 2 and transfer this way. But what the operator didn't tell me on the line 1 train was that there would be no line 2 service at all between Ossington and I think Broadview Station. So I just came out to street level just to take a quick look at what things were like here. And what I'll do is I'll head into Spadina Station and we'll walk through some of the madness. And I'll show you that there is no way to get down to the line 2 platform right now, as there's so many people trying to get down there. And then I'll take the walkway over to line 1. I have no idea what the security incident was, but it must be pretty major. See, there's a lot of people just kind of milling around. They said there'd be shuttle buses, but I did not see any indication of that. And I checked the Toronto subreddit, and I didn't see anything that would have indicated that something was the matter. So this must be very recent. Good luck getting down to the line 2 platforms. All these people are waiting for everything to resume here. There's the 510 Spadina streetcar. I was just camping out. I imagine the platform is just rammed. Similar scene over here. So I just made this walk from the line 1 platform to line 2, and now I'm doing it again. Normally, if you're transferring between line 1 and line 2, you do it at St. George. It's much closer, as there's virtually no walk to make because the 2 lines are stacked on top of each other. But one stop over at Spadina, you have to go through this long walkway. So all these people, or most of them I think, would normally have transferred at St. George, but they were told to get off and do it at Spadina instead. But if they were like me, they were misled into thinking they could actually transfer here. A long time ago where I'm walking, there used to be a moving walkway connecting the 2 lines at this station. So I'm trying to make my way up to Midtown. I was going to take line 2 over to Bloor Young and head north up to Eglinton. Now I'm going to head up to Eglinton and take the crowded and busy Eglinton bus back over to my neighborhood. I'm just gonna hop onto this train, so everything should be pretty normal for the rest of this trip. So thank you for watching. And as always, I will catch you on the next one.
Next station is Dubont Station.